Guys and girls, welcome to the Real Love Festival Survival channel. I thank God for the grace, and today's video is going titanium number 13, and it's all about the Toaks small wood burning stove, titanium. And as you can see there, I've got it set up already, and basically I'm boiling up a cup of water. You caught me having a cup of tea yet again, having another cup of tea. But yeah, today's video, going titanium number 13, is all about the Toaks wood burning stove, and it's doing a fantastic job. It's took me some time to get used to it. I've lit it up in several different ways. I started with the big wood on the bottom and the small at the top, but it didn't work for me, so I changed it the other way around. And to be honest, I haven't got great wood today in the stove, but it's doing its job. It's boiling up the water, and I'm going to make myself yet another cup of tea. God bless you all, and always remember when you're working around fire, if there's any children out there watching, to always put your gloves on. I've got my backhoe today again, and my Moira companion. I just got some more water in my bottle, and I brought the Viper water bottle pouch there as well. So as you can see, I've been processing the wood. Let me just check on the water. It's coming to the boil soon, hopefully. But yeah, I've been mucking about today with different ways of you know, putting different size wood in there. I've used up all the tindalin, the smaller stuff, and basically just making a quick cup of tea, and I just let that come to the boil. But what I'll do in the meantime is I'll get everything ready. I've got some tea bags. Yep, one tea bag in there, and I've got some sugar, one sugar. So I'll get that ready. So yeah, guys and girls, let me just check on the water. So yeah, the good thing about this stove is it's got a front loading. Let me just turn it for you without burning my hands. Actually, let me just take that off there. It's got quite a bit of a nice flame on there. What I wanted to show you was that you can load it from the front there. You can load it from the front. Just put bits of wood in there, keep feeding the fire. Actually, what I'm going to do, just to show you while you're on screen, just to show you, just put little bits of wood in there, just keep feeding it. I suppose you can go bigger if you wanted, like that, just leave it in there. You could do it like that, or you can just keep feeding smaller bits inside, and that'll keep the fire going. But yeah, let me just check to see if it's coming to the boil. I don't want to make this video too long today, guys and girls. Yeah, I'd say shortly it's going to come to the boil. But like I said, I've got some milk today. I got a tea bag and a free sugar from McDonald's. I don't go in there very often. Anyway, so yeah, I've got my tea bag, sugar, and some milk. And today I've got my Finesse City 10-inch spork. Really good bit of kit. Finesse City. I don't know if you can see that there, the writing. Finesse City. Anyway, guys and girls, let me just carry on with this tea. Just check on the water, see if it's boiling. But yeah, this is the Toaks titanium stove. Got some specifications for you here. Basically, it's the wood burning stove. Weight 5.4 ounces. Total weight is 154 grams. Dimensions packed 3 3/4 inches, 94 millimeter. That's the depth. Times 3 3/4 inches, 94 millimeter depth, like I was saying, by 7 1/4 inch, 183mm height, burning chamber. The lower part is 2 7/8 inches, 74mm depth by 3.58 of an inch, 92mm height. Okay, actually this stove nestles really well in the 750 pot. This is the 550 pot, and actually this can all go into the 750 pot, but this is the 550 pot. Okay guys and girls, so there you go. I bought it for £36 off eBay. They're usually around about £45, something like that, guys. So here we go. Let me see if the water's come to the boil yet. I don't want to make the video too long. I was actually thinking of cooking some food on this today. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly push the camera forward so you can see the water coming to the boil. Okay guys and girls, so yeah, this has been Going Titanium 13, and it's all about the Toaks wood burning stove. So let me carry on making a cup of tea. Easier. It's been very windy in the garden today. Get the tea bag going. Actually get the sugar in there. Now I don't want to let my tea boil, so let me. All right, Dave. My neighbour's walking past saying, "What are you doing in the garden?" Having another cup of tea. Yep, another cup of tea. All right, guys and girls. So, yep, you can see that on film. Let me just squeeze that ouch in there. Let me just chuck the milk in as well. Yeah, I mean, there you go guys, and then we have a nice cup of tea using the Toaks titanium wood stove. And there you have it guys and girls. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to like, share, subscribe, please go down into the video comment section and leave a message, or like or share if you like. But thank you all for coming today and watching the video on the Toaks titanium wood stove. Going Titanium 13 guys and girls. Thanks very much. God bless you all, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thumbs up from me. Take care of yourselves, and God bless.